Hello everyone, let's dive into the Lian O11 EVO RGB, a case that's making waves in the PC building community. This mid-tower case isn't just about aesthetics. It's a blend of form and function that caters to both seasoned builders and newcomers alike. First impressions matter, and the O11 EVO RGB doesn't disappoint. The white aluminum and steel construction exudes quality, while the front and side tempered glass panels offer a panoramic view of your components. The removable pillar is a clever touch, allowing for an even more seamless display of your RGB-laden hardware. Those L-shaped light strips on the top and bottom add a subtle yet stylish accent, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Cooling is paramount, and the O11 EVO RGB is well equipped in this department. With support for up to a 420mm radiator on top and 360mm radiators on the side and bottom, you have plenty of options for liquid cooling. The case also accommodates up to 3 140mm fans on the top, side, and bottom, providing ample airflow for even the most demanding systems. Lian has paid close attention to cable management, providing ample space in the second chamber to keep things tidy. The adjustable motherboard rear I/O and mounting points are a welcome addition, offering flexibility in terms of component placement. The O11 EVO RGB supports ATX motherboards, two 3.5-inch HDDs, or 2.5 SSDs, providing sufficient storage options for most users. While the case itself is impressive, Lian also offers optional accessories for vertical or upright GPU mounting, allowing you to further customize your build. In conclusion, the Lian O11 EVO RGB is a well-designed and versatile case that offers a premium building experience. Its blend of aesthetics, cooling capabilities, and user-friendly features make it a top contender in the mid-tower market. If you're looking for a case that can showcase your components while providing excellent performance, the O11 EVO RGB is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.